Alright, into another AIME. 2016 AIME 2, question 1. Initially, Alex, Betty, and Charlie had a total of 444 peanuts. Charlie had the most peanuts, Alex had the least. The three numbers of peanuts that each person had formed a geometric progression. Alex eats 5 of his peanuts, Betty eats 9 of her peanuts, and Charlie eats 25 of his peanuts. Now the three numbers of peanuts each person has forms an arithmetic progression. Find the number of peanuts Alex had initially. So when I saw this, I saw right away that we have this arithmetic progression, and A plus B plus C for Alex, Betty, and Charlie must be 444. And we see that, how do I want to notate this? I guess I can call it A prime, B prime, C prime for what happens after they eat their peanuts is going to be arithmetic. And I noticed that 5 plus 9 is 14, plus 25 gives me 39, so they ate 39 peanuts. That's 405. Now for an arithmetic sequence, if you have an odd number of terms, the middle term will be the average of the terms, which means that this B prime has to be 405 divided by 3, which is going to give me, let's see, it's going to give me 135. Okay, lovely. So that's good enough to get me started, and that means that the middle term, so B, will equal this B prime, 135, plus the number of peanuts that Betty eats, which is 9, so that gives me 144. And since this is arithmetic, I know that A times R equals B, which is 144. So A will be 144 over R. I know that C, being the third term, I multiply by R again, so C will equal B times R, which is 144R. And so now I can go ahead and look at this and get the equation 144 over R plus 144 plus 144R equals 444. And I can work to solve this. So what I did first, I subtracted 144 from both sides. Or actually, I subtracted 444 to get it over here, because I'm going to eventually get a quadratic. And so I get 144 over R minus 300 plus 144R equals 0. And then I multiplied everything by R to get rid of this R here, which gave me 144 minus 300R plus 144R squared equals 0. I factored out as much as I could for a monomial as possible. I see that 12 goes into 144 and 12 goes into 375. Is that correct? Sorry, 25 times. So, and I rewrote this part in standard form, which gives me 12 times, and that's going to give me 12R squared minus 25R plus 12 equals 0. And using your favorite method to factor, you'll see that we get 12 times, let me make sure it's correctly, 4R minus 3 times 3R minus 4 equals 0. So my common ratio is either going to be 3/4 or 4/3. And since it's increasing from Alex through Charlie, I'm going to choose a common ratio of 4/3. And to get back to Alex, let me change colors one final time. To get back to Alex, I need to do 144 divided by r, which is going to be 144 divided by 4/3, which is the same thing as 144 times 3/4. 144 divided by 4 gives me 36, times 3 gives me 108. So that's how many Alex initially has. There might be a better way to do this, but that's the way I got through it. Comment with any questions, and I'll move on to the next problem.